70% of these these ad hoc improvement processes, these individual elements, fail to generate sustainable business success over a 3-year period, right? Confusion abounds in systems and approaches and strategies and policies and plans, and primarily confusion abounds in language.
We can't define a problem until we're speaking the same language.
You have to use a standard terminology so that other people understand what you're saying and everybody's on the same page.
Without having a common consensus of what it is we're all talking about, we're doomed to have failed implementations.
Uptime Elements is a common language. It's our framework that we use to support reliability. By using the Uptime Elements, we can engage folks from all levels of the organization into that common language.
It's broken down so anybody can follow it, whatever level.
I believe everything that a maintenance and reliability leader needs to know, literally everything, is covered by the 36 elements of the Uptime Element.
They had decided Uptime Elements, reliability framework, and asset management system was going to be their strategy.
All kinds of different companies, public, private, consultants, solution providers, it's all anchored by the Uptime Elements reliability framework and an asset management system that keeps us on track.